Good morning. What? My GoPro didn't charge again. Lovely. It's a good thing there's not much going on today. Okay, welcome back, guys. I have, this is the day after drywall mudding, day 2. They've coated everything. The windows are done. Power's in, power's on. All is good. All I'm doing today is going to be I'm just taking any tools that I don't need out of here, cleaning up, and same with the garbage. So once that's all done, I'll be done here for the weekend. I'm going to come back and do a coat on this guy. There's a seam all the way down there. A little one right there. I'll be doing that, but other than that, there's not much to do other than letting the drywall dry. But it's pretty dry. This dehumidifier really helped. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'll bring you back when that's all buttoned up. Maybe when I start doing that drywall seam out there. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Get it! Welcome back to the show. I already have some compound mixed up here for this joint outside. They didn't do it, and I don't think they're going to, so because it wasn't, you know, I didn't tell them about it, so it's not in the price. I know, it's one joint, a couple screws, but anyway, already have the mud mixed up. I got my tape ready. The way I do it, you just drag it along.
Fireflies in the sky, and they're coming down and hit the ground. I run around, chase all my dreams. Will you come with me tonight? Be my firefly, my firefly, my firefly tonight. You come with me, give me a light, oh, give me a light, give me a light, oh, so I can see. Give me a light, oh, give me a light, give me a light, oh, so I can see. Firefly, my firefly, my firefly tonight. Come with me.
And that should be good for a first coat. That's all I have to do here today. I have everything cleaned up, ready to go for, I'm gonna meet them back here Monday. They're gonna sand and do what they gotta do. And I'm actually going to go today. I already have primer at my house, so I'm gonna go pick up the baseboards and the trim. I'm gonna bring it down here, just so everything's here and ready. All right guys, till Monday. Yeah, I guess till Monday. I'll see you guys then. Have a good weekend. Get it.